Good morning, Ray. How are you today? I hope you are having a good day and that you're ready to begin working on IEP Goals 3 and 4. So for goal number 3, Ray, we are going to be talking about solving 1 to 2 steps using data from stem and leaf plots. So you're probably wondering, what is a stem and leaf plot?
Attention teachers, please dismiss pickup students 1 through 10. Teachers, please dismiss the pickup students from 1 through 10.
I'm so sorry, Ray. So, as I was saying, a stem and leaf plot is a way to show the frequency of a set of data. A stem and leaf plot is different from other graphs because the data is organized by place value. So here in the stem, we have the numbers in the stem column that represent the tens place. So whatever is in the tens place goes in the stem, and in the leaves, the numbers in the leaves column represents the ones place. So everything in the ones is over here. For example, 30. The 3 is in the tens place, so it would be over here. And the 0 is in the ones place, so it would be over here. And it says, a stem and leaf plot can show you the total number of data points collected as well as the frequency of each data point. It is another way to organize data. So here they give you a set of numbers, and then you have to organize them into the stem and leaves. So for example, here with number 4, there's only one number and it's in the ones place, so that means there's nothing in the tens. So here in the stem, you would put a 0. So for 4 would be 4, 7, 8, and 8. For the ones that have a 1 in the tens place, you would put the 1 right here. Then you would put the, like for 14, you'd put there's a 1 there, so you would put the 4. For 15, there's already a 1, so you just put the 5. And then the 2, there's none in the 2. There's nothing with a 2, so that is alone. And over here with the 3, there's 30, so you would put the 3 here in the front, and then you put 30. And then for 33, well, you put 3. Another 33, well, you put another 3. Another 33, you put a 3. And then 35, we put another 5. So then here, this is telling us 30, 33, 33, 33, and 35. So today we are going to work on this worksheet. It is called Read and Interpret the Data. There is a coffee mug with a plate in the bottom and some gloves. If you have this worksheet, please get it out, Ray, so we can work on some questions together. So this is the worksheet, Ray, and on the top it says, read the given stem and leaf plots and answer the questions. Number 1. Cups of coffee sold at a coffee vending machine outlet in 2 weeks are as follows. So here are stem leaves. We have our tens place and our ones place. And here it's just telling you the key, what it means. So if there's a 7 in the stem place and then a 2 in the leaves, it's just letting you know that that means there were 72 cups. So now let's answer letter A together. What is the maximum numbers of cups of coffee sold in a day? So maximum. That is a huge word. Do you know what maximum means, Ray? Yes, it means the most. So they want to know what is the biggest number of cups of coffee that they sold in a day. So we would go to our stem leaf and we'll go to our last number. So it's a 7. And then we'll go to our leaves and look at our last number. And it's an 8. So if a 7 is in the stem leaf, on the stem side, and the 8 in the leaf, what is that? What number does that give us? Yes, good job. It is 78 cups. So the maximum number of cups in a coffee sold in a day were 78 cups. Awesome. So now you will work on the rest on your own. You will use this stem and leaf to answer the questions for letter B and C. And then you will use this stem and leaf and question number 2 to answer A, B, and C. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If not, once you are done, we will continue to work on goal number 4. So for goal number 4, Ray, we are going to continue talking and solving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of all bills like 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s in this goal. So here we have an anchor chart telling us what the value of these coins are. So these are pennies and what they value, which is 1 cent. Our nickels, which are 5 cents, our dimes, which are 10 cents, our quarters, which is 25 cents, and very rare, however, there still are some quarters that are actually $1. It's very hard to find them, but I have seen them, and I know sometimes they do give them out. Sometimes they will give you a quarter that is worth $1. And for this goal, we are going to be working on this sheet right here. It is called Add, Subtract, Multiply, and Divide with Money. So if you can please take it out so we can work on it. Okay, Ray, so this is our worksheet for today. There are 9 questions. These we are going to either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And then over here we have some word problems that we are going to solve as well. So take out your calculator if you have not. We will be needing it for this worksheet. And today I'm going to work on 2 questions with you. I will work on question number 1 and question number 5, and you will do the rest on your own. So let's start off with question number 5. It is saying 68.58 plus 25.83. They want us to add these 2 amounts together. So let's begin adding. So it's 68.58 cents plus $28.83, and it gives us $97.41. So that is what we are going to write here. $97 with 41 cents. And let me make this bigger because it is way too small. And that is the total there. Now for question number 5, it says, Janet purchased 4 notebooks for $7.40. I'm going to highlight that. 4 notebooks my highlighter's not working. Okay, that's fine. Oh. Now it highlighted and didn't highlight what I wanted. It's okay. So it's saying that she purchased 4 notebooks. So let's write that here. Let's write it instead. 4 notebooks. And all those 4 notebooks equaled, oh my god, $7.40. And now the question is asking, how much did each notebook cost? So they want to know how much did one, or does one notebook cost? And in order to find out how much one cost, what do we need to do? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to multiply? Or are we going to divide? Yes, Ray, good job. We are going to divide. And what we are going to divide is the cost by how many she bought, so we can find out how much one costs. So our equation is going to be 7.40 divided by 4 equals, and it should give us how much 1 equals. So now we get our calculator. Let me clear all of this, and let's figure out 7.40, because that was our total, and we're going to divide it by the number of notebooks she bought, which were 4, and that gives us $1.85. So then here we're going to put $1.85. So now, how much does one notebook cost? Yes, good job. $1.85. And this is our answer. Oh, let's write it over here. So sorry. $1. Oh, sorry, the dollar sign. $1.85. And that is what you are going to be doing for the rest of the questions, Ray. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. If not, don't forget to take a picture once you are done and submit it into Teams so I can look at it and give you a grade. Thank you so much, Ray. Once you are done, you are good. I hope you have a good weekend and that you get to rest a lot. And we will see you here back on Monday. Bye, Ray.